This channel will take you to lots of interesting places.
Check out our introduction video in the description below. Today, we're meeting my friend who works in forestry, and we're going to do some volunteer work.
That's great! I'm excited to go to a mountain and take in some nature.
Now this is nature.
It's so peaceful.
Forestry is, to put it simply, when people take care of trees and forests. They make sure the trees are healthy, grow properly, and can be used for things like building houses and making paper. Sometimes people help make special areas in the forest for kids to play safely.
I've never heard of that job before.
Today's project is to create a safe area out in nature for kids to play.
Oh, I see. That's a wonderful idea.
They found a nice spot, but there are still many trees and vines that need to be cleared.
That sounds like a big job.
It sure is. Here's the spot.
It looks like a jungle.
Exactly. It's not safe for children to enter.
The ground and trees look dangerous.
They're figuring out how to make the area safer.
I see. A tree has fallen down. Do trees often fall in forests?
Yes, especially during strong winds and storms. Look, my friend is using a chainsaw to cut down a tree.
What's a chainsaw?
It's a machine that uses an engine or a motor as a power source to rotate a chain with blades and cut wood like a saw. Since it's a saw that uses a chain, it's called a chainsaw.
Oh, I've never seen that tool before.
It's mostly used for cutting trees and logs.
Interesting. It's fun just being out in nature like this.
I agree. Some children are going to plant some seedlings here.
That's a great project.
He's clearing the grass with a weed eater.
What can we do to help?
Let's help with collecting the grass cuttings.
Sure.
Hours has passed and it's looking so nice.
That's amazing. I hope our support has been helpful.
They need to rope it off and clear the area a little more.
It must be a lot of work. I hope the children have fun planting the seedlings here. Can I join the event?
Sorry, this is a private project by a kindergarten, but we can come back later to see the planted seedlings. Look at how different the area looks now.
It used to look like a jungle.
It was a great project to be a part of.
Definitely! And the seedlings are so cute!
By the way, did I tell you that the chef from a Chinese restaurant I've been to a few times was on a TV show called Job Tune last month?
No, you didn't!
I was thinking of taking you there, but it's really popular now, so we can't make reservations. But I'll show you some pictures and videos from my past visits.
Okay, I'm looking forward to it!